Everybody, Andy with A&G's Paintless Dent Removal. So I just want to thank everybody again for all the dents that they bring me. I am going to make sure that they are all done with 100% quality. Everybody's always satisfied when they leave here. Also, you are helping a small business. It's just me and my wife. My wife does the office when she has time, when she's not at home doing everything for our daughter. And it's just me. I'm making sure that they're all done to 100% quality. Everybody's always satisfied when they leave here, and I make sure that 888-321-4245 if you have any questions. And you can always go on my website, angpdr.com. You can get online quotes there. You can schedule a quote to bring your car in here, and you can also schedule your repairs. If you've already had an estimate with us, there is a schedule your repair button. Just look on your estimate and you can see how long the repair is going to take, and then you can choose that, and then it'll come up with all the times we have available for you, and then you can coordinate with your calendar and you can coordinate with ours. It makes it real simple. So thanks everybody.